Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Imanina Idina binti Mat Yazid and will be presenting on the topic glossopharyngeal nerve. The glossopharyngeal nerve is associated with tongue and the pharynx and has both sensory and motor functions. It carries information about touch and pain. It also carries sensory information from the carotid body and the carotid sinus. The nerve conveys this information from the posterior third of the tongue and carries motor signals to the stylopharyngeal muscle, which are responsible in swallowing and speech. It also innervates the parotid gland. Do you know that the glossopharyngeal nerve also associated with a number of nuclei in the medulla? The color button indicates the nucleus and its function. The fibers that supply the stylopharyngeal muscle originate in the nucleus ambiguous, yellow button. The fibers that convey touch and pain, synapse in the spinal trigeminal nucleus, green button. The fibers that innervate the parotid gland arise from the inferior salivatory nucleus, the blue button. Last but not least is the sensory fibers that carry taste information and those that carry sensory information from the carotid body and the carotid sinus, synapse in the nucleus solitarius, red button. Next one is the vagus nerve, the cranial nerve 10. The vagus nerve is a mixed nerve and the only cranial nerve that extends beyond the head and neck. It carries sensory information about pain, touch, and temperature from the throat, inner and outer ear, and the meninges near the back of the head. However, it plays a very minor role in taste. It also receives sensory information from internal organs in the neck, chest, and abdomen, such as heart, esophagus, and digestive tract. The nerve controls muscles in pharynx, soft palate, and larynx that are responsible in speaking and swallowing. It is also the main parasympathetic nerve of the body, providing parasympathetic innervation. There are several nuclei in the medulla associated with the vagus nerve. The yellow one is the motor signals originate in the nucleus ambiguous. Touch, pain, and temperature information travels to the spinal trigeminal nucleus. The green one. Parasympathetic fibers originate in the dorsal vagal motor nucleus. The blue one. And the sensory information from internal organs travels to solitary nucleus. The red one. That's all from me. Thank you.